Hi friends, the objective of this video is to make you familiar with a simple content management system called Canvas. This CMS can be used by faculty to publish their own content online and by the students who can access that at their convenience. There are so many alternatives for such a content management system, but I prefer this because this is open source and user friendly. As of now, there is no limitation on the number of users that can be enrolled on this course. Also, for a single course, I'll be given 200 MB of space, which is sufficient for my one semester course. This course I have made in the last semester for my students. I want you to go through this content and how I organize the content of a single semester course. This is a course homepage where I gave basic information about the objectives and outcomes of the course, added a orientation video which was published on YouTube, and the basic information about the faculty who have dealt with the course. As we organize a subject into individual topics or chapters, this also is organized into modules, where every module can further be subdivided and can added various types of resources. This could be a theory resource, an assignment, or a quiz, or additional study materials. I can add various categories of content to a module. We can have various announcements that can be posted for students to know about the activities or deadlines. Once the theory is over, we can have assignments which can be published at regular time intervals. If you look at one of the sample assignment, this is having some questions and marks and the way in which I can allow a student to submit the assignment. I can insert equations, images, anything can be inserted over here. Once it is done, I can allow how many marks that can be given to that assignment, how I allow a student to submit the assignment, what format is that which I allow submissions, and also the timelines. Similar activity can be done for quizzes as well. Quiz, as you know, is a objective format. This is how it looks like. How many points are given for a question, what are the alternatives and all. Let us see how the questions can be added to a quiz. Let's go to questions tab here. Go to one of the question and edit that. I can insert equations, images, anything can be inserted here, and these are the options. Correct answer, and all possible answers. Not only objective type, I can also have various kinds of questions here. Quizzes. We can also have fill in the blanks, we can also have true or false, we can have formula questions, essay questions. We can have various kinds of question formats in quizzes also. Right? Once the quizzes or assignments are over, we can check the grades of the students in the grades tab. We can simply generate a report of their performances. We can download them. We can export to a CSV format. I can set them in a calendar also. For a given assignment or quiz, I can add them to a calendar. I can add various pages for this course content which are useful during execution of your course. This page has an additional advantage where we can interact with the students through the Teams or Hangouts, whatever is your interactive platform you want to share the students with during your execution of the course. We can upload additional files that are used by students for references or other purpose. The basic syllabus tab, the outcomes tab, the rubrics are meant for the evaluation, how you map your attainment, course attainments. And coming to the most active part of this course called the participants. Here is where I can see the students. I can enroll them using my enrollment part called add people. I just simply add an email ID for them. That's enough for them to add into a course in the corresponding section. I can also add teachers or TAs over here. And I can see their activities in the course platform like this. So this is how a simple journey of a simple content management system. If you want, you can add some more settings over here. Since when you are going to publish the course, or you want to export this course or import this course. So all of the settings can be made. Right. In the second part of this video, we will create our own course content. You make some theory content available for that to be published, and I'll give you a simple 7-step formula to publish your own content online. Thank you.